Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and now just tap on the settings icon right here. If you would like to activate the timer, you have to locate its icon, and it's right here, so it's the second one, and pick 1 second, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or even 20 seconds. I will pick 10, and if you'll go back, you will see that the picture will be grabbed after 10 seconds countdown. As you can see, you've got it on your display, so you can prepare yourself for a photo, and afterwards it will be grabbed. And that's it. As you can see, this is the photo delay that we set, and if you'd like to switch the timer off or change the mode, smoothly go to the settings, pick the timer, and choose preferred option. I will switch it off. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.